Looking to maximize your post-workout recovery? Check out these practical suggestions for improving revitalize. Discover how to optimize your bodybuilding routine and enhance your gains with these tips. Let's dive in. We all know that feeling after an intense workout session. Your muscles are fatigued, your energy levels are drained, and you can barely move. This is where post-workout recovery becomes crucial. It is during this period that our bodies repair and rebuild, setting the foundation for future gains. So, how can we improve our revitalize and make the most out of our recovery? Here are some practical suggestions to consider. 1. Prioritize proper nutrition. Fueling your body with the right nutrients is essential for recovery. Make sure to consume a post-workout meal or snack that includes a good balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. This will provide your muscles with the necessary building blocks for repair and replenish your energy stores. 2. Hydrate. 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 Water is often overlooked but plays a crucial role in the recovery process. Staying hydrated helps flush out toxins, aids in nutrient absorption, and keeps your muscles functioning optimally. Make it a habit to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially after your workouts. 3. Get enough sleep. Sleep is when your body does most of its repair work. Aim for 79 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your muscles to recover and grow. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Minimize distractions in your bedroom, and ensure your sleep environment is cool, dark, and quiet. 4. Incorporate active recovery. While rest days are important, incorporating active recovery exercises can aid in the revitalize process. Engage in low-intensity activities such as stretching, yoga, or light cardio to increase blood flow and promote muscle repair. This will also help reduce muscle soreness and stiffness. 5. Utilize foam rolling and massage. Foam rolling and massage techniques can help release tension in your muscles, improve circulation, and alleviate soreness. Incorporate these practices into your post-workout routine to enhance your revitalize and speed up recovery. 6. Consider supplementation. Certain supplements can support your revitalize efforts. Look for options that contain ingredients like branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, creatine, and glutamine, which are known for their muscle recovery and growth benefits. Consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements. 7. Listen to your body. Lastly, always listen to your body. If you're feeling overly fatigued or experiencing persistent pain, it may be a sign that you need more rest or professional guidance. Pushing through excessive fatigue or ignoring pain can lead to injuries and setbacks in your bodybuilding journey. Remember, revitalize is a crucial aspect of your bodybuilding routine. By implementing these practical suggestions, you can optimize your post-workout recovery and make the most out of your training efforts. Start incorporating these tips into your routine today and watch your gains soar. Engage with our content for more tips, tricks, and insights on bodybuilding and post-workout recovery. Join our community and share your thoughts, experiences, and progress. Together, let's achieve our fitness goals and become the best versions of ourselves.